Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to QuickBooks Online for no-code invoice workflows, full guide step-by-step clearly. On the home page, locate the Products menu. From the drop-down, select QuickBooks Online. You'll be directed to a page showcasing different pricing plans. Choose the plan that best fits your business needs. Click on the Choose Plan button for your selected option. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in the required information to create your Intuit account. This includes your first name, last name, and the desired password. Once completed, click the Create Account button. You may then receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click on the verification link. After verifying your email, return to the QuickBooks site. Go back to the subscription page and log in with your new account. Follow any additional prompts to complete your sign-up process. You'll then be asked for your payment information. Enter your credit or debit card details as required. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. You will be taken to your QuickBooks Online dashboard upon successful payment. Now you can explore the features and set up your no-code invoice workflows. Look for the invoicing option on the left-hand menu. From there, you can create and customize your invoices as needed. Once you finish, save your changes to ensure your workflows are ready. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.